Asafoetida is the dried gum resin from the roots of Ferula plants, primarily native to Iran and Afghanistan. Its name comes from the Persian asa, resin, and Latin foetidus, smelling, stinking, referencing its famously pungent odor. In India, Asafoetida is known as hing and is a staple in vegetarian cooking, especially among Jains and Brahmins who avoid onions and garlic. Raw asafoetida has a strong sulfurous smell, earning nicknames like devil's dung and stinking gum. When cooked, its flavor transforms to resemble that of leeks, shallots, or garlic, adding a savory, umami note to dishes. Asafoetida is a key flavoring agent in Indian dals, curries, pickles, and spice blends, such as hing jeera, a combination of asafoetida and cumin. It's used as a digestive aid in Ayurveda, believed to reduce flatulence and aid in the digestion of legumes and beans. Asafoetida is also valued in traditional medicine for its antispasmodic, expectorant, and sedative properties. The spice was so prized in ancient times that it was traded along the Silk Road and once valued as highly as gold. Asafoetida was used as a substitute for the now extinct silphium, a legendary spice of ancient Greece and Rome. Alexander the Great's armies brought Asafoetida to Europe after mistaking it for silphium. It was recommended by the medieval Jewish philosopher Maimonides for its medicinal benefits. In the Middle Ages, Asafoetida was worn as an amulet to ward off disease, likely more for its smell than any proven effect. The resin was once used in perfumes and as a flavoring in Worcestershire sauce. Asafoetida is a key ingredient in the Ayurvedic formula hingashtak, which is used to treat digestive disorders. It is still regarded as a valuable medicinal in Europe, the Near East, and the Far East. In Persian cuisine, asafoetida is called the food of the gods and is added to nearly every dish. Asafoetida is harvested by making incisions in the plant's roots and collecting the milky sap, which hardens into resin. The spice is rarely used in European cuisine today, but remains essential in Indian cooking. Asafoetida is sometimes used as a substitute for onions and garlic by individuals following certain religious or dietary restrictions. Its intense aroma can permeate containers and even neighboring foods if not stored properly. In folk traditions, asafoetida was believed to banish evil spirits and negative energy. During the 1918 influenza pandemic, people wore asafoetida bags around their necks as a supposed protection against infection. Asafoetida is used sparingly. A pinch is enough to flavor an entire dish. Despite its intimidating smell, asafoetida is a culinary chameleon, transforming dishes with its unique, savory depth. These facts highlight asafoetida's journey from ancient medicine and magic to a beloved ingredient in modern kitchens, celebrated for both its health benefits and its power to elevate vegetarian cuisine.